What's up guys, Chrisspy here. Everyone meet my cousin Kirsten.
Hi guys.
So in today's video, I thought it would be fun to transform Kirsten into moi. So I did her hair, makeup, everything. You guys are gonna hang out with us on this transformation. You look, I can't get over how gorgeous you look.
I know when you walked out today, I was like, damn. Because we've been such bums lately.
Before we get started, I wanted to remind you guys to make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and turn on post notifications so that you don't miss when I upload a new video.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Let's get started.
This reminds me of like prom days. Chrissy used to come to all of my proms and dances and do all of the makeup for all the girls. And I was your MAC subject.
Oh yeah, for my MAC Cosmetics interview, Kirsten came with me. We went to MAC in San Francisco on Fillmore Street. Remember that?
That too.
So this is just a little bit of primer.
When's the last time you did someone's makeup?
Oh, I did makeup for a photo shoot recently. I don't know why this primer is like a little bit like white right there. I noticed it was in my eyebrows. Why is it doing that? Wait, where the heck is it?
It's okay.
It's white all over!
What is that primer?
It's getting worse. The brush? Okay, I have to get you a makeup wipe. We have to start over.
That's lovely.
So, we're switching primers. I'm going to use the Makeup Forever Hydra Booster primer. You put it on with your hands.
Okay, I think that should be good. Round dose.
Okay, so I'm going to be using the same foundation that I used on myself. This is Giza from Juvia's Place. It's the best like full coverage concealer. Now foundation. Now don't be afraid of the orange now. Oh, it's actually not that dark on you. So when we were growing up, we were like best friends. Like everyone thought that we were like sisters.
Or twins.
Twins, yeah, everyone thought we were twins. But, oh yeah, so Kirsten is from my mom's side. Our moms are sisters. Yeah, so actually when we were little too, everyone would buy us like matching outfits. And this is where
Chris was always blue.
I had to be blue. And that's where her mom is the one who would call me Blue Girl. And actually, my mom had to have a talk with me and she would have to say, you know, you can't just, when someone gives you something, it's not blue. You can't say, I don't like it. It's not blue.
Do they know your childhood nickname?
What was my childhood nickname?
Screaming Mimi.
Scream me. Yeah, I had a little attitude when I was a little girl. My mom said, she was like, you would just put your hand on your hip and stomp your foot. And she was like, where did she get this attitude from? I don't know.
She doesn't know.
I'm like, I hate when people have the crease behind their nostrils, so I'm trying to get in there. Oh yeah, there you go. We're applying your bronzer helmet now. That's what it's called. I don't make the rules.
Yeah, I'm a little splotchy, but that's okay.
It's all part of the tricks.
Look at my hands. We'll just keep those down. What's your favorite part to do on someone for makeup? Like do you like doing the face, the eyes?
I love the eyes and I love doing the eyeshadow.
Yeah, because you get to play around with it.
Yeah. The hardest part for me, honestly, is the brows.
Well, good luck with mine.
So let's take some setting powder. Oh, sorry, it's all over your shirt.
That's okay.
Oof, it's really all over your shirt. I'm sorry.
We have a visitor. You're the best.
Next, we're gonna do some eyebrows.
Oh, the brows.
You could do microblading.
I know. I didn't even know what microblading was until you explained it to me. I'm kind of excited to see my makeup done, but especially since everyone used to say that we were twins or like sisters as we were younger, it'll be really funny to see what I look like.
I know.
Especially with the wig, because I've never worn a wig.
Yeah, people used to say that Kirsten was the Disney version of me. Who said that, by the way?
I don't know.
What does
but
that,
it's stuck.
What does that mean?
I'm sweet.
I'm like, who said that? I was like, oh, it's because their features are rounder than mine. And like some high school dude wasn't thinking that. What the f does it mean? Right? He wasn't talking about our features.
No, I thought it was our personalities.
I really want to like pluck these, but I'm afraid if they won't come back. Can I or no? No.
You can if you want. Okay.
It's not weird. Then they never grow back and you're like, remember that one time in the fucking video?
Yeah, I had eyebrow pencils, but I ran out, so I've just been using eyeshadow.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
So I uploaded my first YouTube, I should have glued these, but whatever. I uploaded my very first YouTube video on, I think it was July 22nd, 2012. So I've been on YouTube for almost 10 years.
Damn. You know why? Because like early 2000s, I would wax my eyebrows.
Oh my God.
They're so thin, horrible. And I think that that's why they grew back so bad. I knew it was gonna be work, these brows. I think this is the biggest my eyebrows have ever been.
They look crazy.
Yeah. I didn't want to say anything. Why are they so big?
Well, can you stop moving them? You're like...
I don't like this.
All right, we have one brow. The best it's gonna get. So, there's some hairs there that I'm not gonna sacrifice for the sake of this video.
Thank you. It's okay. Mufasa. What is it?
Wusa.
Wusa. Mufasa.
We're gonna make it work, sweetie.
So Chris has been on a strict schedule, making me work out every day.
It's been 2 days.
I feel like I got hit by a bus.
Oh yeah, this is the Amrezy palette by ABH. It's a good one.
Mm-hmm. She poked me in the eye.
Oh yeah. We had an argument on tape.
The infamous argument. It'll go down in family history.
It wasn't even like, it was like so innocent.
Yeah, she poked me in the eye. It was an accident.
Oh, it's a bicker moment.
You said
Bicker moments are bad.
told her what. You're such a tattletale. You tell too much. You talk too much. You talk too much.
So this is, I'm applying Studio Fix powder on her under eyes. NC25.
I like it. I wish I could do my makeup like this.
You can.
I can't work in these conditions. I'm hungry.
I said, just let me get through the concealer.
I need a snack. Boop, boop, boop. What a difference between now and the beginning of the video.
Okay, almost gonna let you go eat. We are gonna take the Lunar Beauty Moon Prism Blush Palette. Okay, so you guys, I love this liquid liner. This is e.l.f. liquid liner. Let's get it.
I've never been able to do a wing before.
Me neither. Very nice. Look at me. I think I meant to make that one thicker and I made that one thicker.
Oops.
What you done? We're doing Betty B lashes in Saucy. Same exact ones I have on. Chris has big eyes, so I feel like you don't even need to trim them.
TikTok's a nightmare.
You guys should have seen us try to make a TikTok just now.
Ooh.
Can you curl your lashes? Wait. But don't touch the eyeliner with it. You got it.
These brows are something else, Chris.
You know, just wait till you get the wig on. It's gonna make sense.
These things have always scared the crap out of me. Don't
Chris,
look.
are you even?
Yes. Don't look.
You gotta close the lash curler all the way.
Ugh.
Chris,
These things scare me. Why do you have to be mean?
you don't have to. First of all, you're pulling your lid down. You could lift it up, but don't pull it down. Go up. Go up. Isn't that better? They're not curled.
Do these things actually work?
Yeah, they make a big difference.
I know. Are you gonna put black or
actually-
you're just doing brown? So pretty.
Thank you. Just brown. It really like makes the color of your eyes pop.
Yeah, I do like that. How long have you been doing that for?
What?
Brown.
Oh, just like 4 years or something.
Whoa.
You look so pretty, Kurs.
Thank you.
This is the Transitions palette by Dominique Cosmetics. Dude, this palette's so good, Kurs. You should get this. It has literally everything you need. Brows, contour, blush, eyeshadow.
Like no sling.
You don't need it, but just cause we're twins.
Oh boy, I feel that. I like this color combo though for the lipstick. It's so pretty.
Oh yeah, this is MAC Creme de Nude, and this is Makeup Forever Wherever Walnut. Let's get a little gloss on there, sweetie, and it's wig o'clock. We're gonna go do hair. We will be right back. I'm so excited.
We're back.
You look so gorgeous.
You always do. Look at us.
So are we twins?
Yeah. What do you guys think?
You look amazing.
If I could just have Chrissy over every day.
I see that you're giving me Disney princess vibes. All right, you guys. I hope you enjoyed meeting Kirsten and you enjoyed this transforming into me. We didn't do the contacts. Should we try and do them?
No.
Next time it's gonna be Kirsten's tutorial. We'll see how much she remembered from this.
Yes.
Alright, thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you in our next video. Alright, bye you guys.
Bye.